Hello. So 2 nights ago, France were playing Bulgaria in an international friendly, and it was a one-sided game. France won 3-0. So the goal was scored by first goal was scored by Antoine Griezmann. He scored the first goal on 29th minute, and the second and third goal came in the second half. So at halftime it was 1-0, and Karim Benzema was substituted in the 41st minute. Oliver Giroud came back in for him. So the second goal was scored by Olivier Giroud in the 83rd minute, and the third goal was also scored by Olivier Giroud in the 90th minute. So Giroud scored two goals, and he was currently in the second spot for France with 44 goals, and these two goals add to his tally, and which he has now 46 goals. Thierry Henry has 51 goals, and he is the current top scorer of France. He was scoring a lot of goals in World Cup 98, Euro, and all that, but he is retired now. He was also a legend of Arsenal. He was scoring a lot of goals for Arsenal. If you remember the unbeaten season in the 2003-4, he was scoring. He was a masterclass. So Oliver Giroud has now 46 goals to his name, and he only needs 6 more goals, and he will be the leading top scorer for France. Only 6 goals. But after the game, I wanted to post this video yesterday, but because of some work, I was not able to. And I am also glad that I am doing this now, because I want to add one more thing which just came up few hours ago. That Oliver Giroud complained that he was not getting the ball. He was not getting the ball. The players are not passing him the ball. And to be honest, this is not the first time I am hearing about this type of things. It is not about Giroud, but last year also the same thing was Sergio Aguero of Manchester City and Argentina. He also said the same thing, that the players are not passing him the ball. They don't want Sergio Aguero to score. The same thing, Giroud also complained that Kylian Mbappe is not passing him the ball, and news are saying that Mbappe will talk directly with the media. He is furious and blah blah. But what exactly is Mbappe trying to prove here? I seriously cannot understand, because the videos and clearly shows that when he is getting the ball, he don't want to pass to anyone. He, even if the player is in a better position than him to score goals, he don't want to pass him the ball. He just running with the ball himself, and ending up with nothing, no goal, no shot and attack. So Giroud just said that he is in better position, and but he is not getting the ball. He scored 2 goals, but still he is not getting the ball, and the highlight videos also shows it. And the highlight also show when Giroud scored the second goal in the 83rd minute. Mbappe reaction was priceless. He was not happy at all. He was not happy, as if why Giroud scored. He doesn't deserve to score. Well, Giroud is 34 years old now, and he is currently in the rank 2 of leading top scorer for France. Mbappe is 22, I guess, 22. He was for playing for Monaco, and now in for PSG. He is scoring goal for PSG, no doubt about that, and he has scored 17 goals for France. But Giroud is 12 years. 12 years. He has 12 more years experience than you, and he is 12 years older. So how? This is how you show respect to the elders. This is how you show respect to a senior teammate. What he is doing is not. What Giroud is saying is not wrong or false. You are not just passing him the ball, and admit that you are doing the mistake. I am not sure what he is going to say, but this is what happened. And last year, if I remember, in March or April, Karim Benzema of Real Madrid, he also said something about Olivier Giroud. He said that Olivier Giroud is go-kart, and he is F1. F1. So I seriously don't understand where this comparison come, because Giroud is not Giroud is constantly in France squad. However, he is not getting that much chances. But whenever he gets chances, he try his best and score the goal. Except the 2018 World Cup, he didn't score a goal. That was a bit disappointing. I was sad, but still he lifted the cup. Karim Benzema is back to the France national squad after 6 years. 6 years, and he was dropped out of their squad, because he was blackmailing one of their midfield player, Matthew Valbuena. He was blackmailing him, so therefore he was immediately dropped from the France squad. For 6 years he's making a comeback. So Giroud never say anything bad about him in public or anywhere, and he was also scoring good for Real Madrid. There were Gonzalo Higuain and many Ronaldo and many other players for Real Madrid. They all left, but he is still there playing for Real Madrid and he is scoring goals. So why this comparison is coming between? Because you are lagging far behind in France top scorer list, and also there is no comparison because Giroud never say anything bad about you. So why this is going on? And if they will have this type of mentality, then they are not going to play well in the Euro or any coming tournament, because if you will not pass the ball, if you will be selfish, then you will miss big chances, and all it takes is just one chance to take your chance and score the goal. 1-0 is also a win and also a victory. If you remember 2004 Euro, then Greece were the surprise champions, and I still cannot believe they won. I thought that Portugal will win, but still Greece won that tournament. And if you can remember, then almost all their wins were 1-0, 1-0, 1-0. Almost they won all their games 1-0. One goal is very important. So if you are not going to pass the ball, and if you will be selfish, then you will lose control of the game, and your jealousy, your ego will ruin the entire team. So I don't know what he is going to say, but I think Giroud speak of the truth, and it is really very nice, because they should not hide this type of things, and every player should be supportive to each other in every team, not just in France or Belgium or Italy, in every team. So if they are supporting each other, then they will play well, and automatically the match will be good, and there will be a lot of emotion. If they will be selfish, not pass the ball, cannot decide who will take the penalty, then the whole team will suffer. The whole team will suffer. So this is not the right thing, and I am very bad how Mbappe is behaving right now. He should show some respect to Giroud, and if he is right and Giroud is wrong, he should tell directly to him, talk with him, why you are creating drama with this media. You don't have to. You can decide between yourself what you have to do, what has gone wrong. You don't have to create such drama, such dilemma. You don't have to. But anyways, I hope the situation will get better, and they both will get along. And tomorrow the Euro will start, the big tournament, which should have taken place last year, but because of coronavirus it was postponed by 1 year. It is still calling Euro to 2020 instead of 21. So it will be a good tournament, and there are a lot of good teams, in fact 24 of them instead of 16. So it will be a nice game. So thank you, that's all for now.